Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Shudder error code 2000000000000. As per our research, the error mainly occurs on the iOS app when users try to play content. According to our research, the issue could be due to a temporary app glitch, an outdated app version, or an account-related issue. The first thing we suggest is to force close the Shudder app and restart the app. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if the Shudder app has any pending updates. Simply open the App Store, then search for Shudder. If an update is available, install it, and then check if the error still comes. If updating doesn't work, or the app is already up to date, then try signing out of Shudder, restarting your device, and signing back in. If you're still facing the error, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Shudder app. Then check if this resolves the error. If reinstalling also doesn't work, then try resetting your Shudder account password. And try logging in with the new password and see if this resolves the error. If none of the previous steps work, then we recommend reaching out to Shudder support and reporting the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.